stories of people who have left impactful impressions on various lives. और आज मैं ऐसी ही एक कहानी आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। हमारे सोसाइटी में लोग आजकल अवेयर हो रहे हैं, अपने आसपास क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं इनको देख रहे हैं. But who can really be a changer? Someone who has the gutsy spirit in them. So, to bring into light the story of an extraordinary girl who has not only understood the need for change but has become the changer herself. ये कहानी है क्रिस्टिन कागेत्सू की, एक 29-year-old लड़की जो न्यूयॉर्क से है पर अब अहमदाबाद शिफ्ट हो गई है और उन्होंने इसी शहर में अपना घर बना लिया है. Some of you must be wondering why a girl would leave her home before marriage. This is because marriage is not the sole reason for girls to leave their house. Some girls have big dreams and great potential, just like Kristen did. She left her home to tackle a problem which is important for every woman's health: menstrual hygiene. Moving to Ahmedabad did not happen suddenly. 2014 में क्रिस्टन पहली बार इंडिया आई थी एक फील्ड वर्क प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, which was to develop all natural crayons. धीरे धीरे वो NGOs के साथ काम करने लगी और उत्तराखंड में एक अवंती नाम के NGO ने उन्हें एनकरेज किया प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए, उनके लिए सॉल्यूशंस निकालने के लिए. By the time, Kristen was aware of two major issues. Firstly, very few women in India were able to afford sanitary pads as it costed them a fortune. And to afford these pads for themselves, they had to cut down their basic expenses. And women, being taught to always keep their family first, put themselves in a backseat and chose not to spend on pads. Secondly, even if they could afford pads, they were unable to manage the menstrual waste produced because India is severely facing the issue of waste management. 2015 में क्रिस्टन MIT USA से ग्रेजुएट हुई और इन प्रॉब्लम्स के सॉल्यूशंस को निकालने की उनकी जर्नी शुरू हो गई. क्रिस्टिन ने अपने ग्रेजुएट फ्रेंड्स अमृता सहगल और ग्रेस केन के साथ कई ऑल्टरनेटिव्स निकालने की कोशिश की. Finally, an idea was conceived to make 100% biodegradable sanitary napkins that can be helpful for menstruating women and be environment friendly at the same time. With immense hard work and after many trials in 2015, Kristen with her team came out with a sustainable solution by the name of Sathi pads in Gujarat. These pads were made using locally sourced banana fiber from the state and can decompose naturally in 3 months if disposed of in the soil and 6 months if it ends up in the city's landfills. जो pads हम यूज करते हैं उनको वुड पल्प से बनाया जाता है, जिसके कारण हर रोज हजारों पेड़ों को काटा जाता है. लेकिन क्रिस्टन के साथी पैड्स को बनाना वेस्ट से बनाया जाता है जो उनकी टीम उसी राज्य के किसानों से खरीदती है. This waste would have ideally made its way into the trash can, but Sathi pads are reducing our planet's burden by converting them into sanitary pads. And it also acts as a source of income for the banana farmers. Moreover, in the conventional pads that we use, a lot of bleach is used, which is why they look so white. However, many studies have proved that this bleach contains cancer-causing agents. But in Sathi pads, such elements are not used, which is why they have a traditional soft brown color. Now, let's take into account some numerical facts. On an average, a woman generates approximately 23 kilograms of plastic in her lifetime from sanitary pads alone, as there is about 3.4 grams of plastic in one conventional pad, which takes hundreds of years to decompose. And all this ends up adding to our already overflowing landfills. Kristen's invention is so unique that it is 100% biodegradable and decomposes 1200 times faster than a conventional sanitary pad, as it just takes 6 months to decompose within the landfill instead of 100 years. वो सब ठीक है. How much do these pads cost? साथी pads की कॉस्ट शहर में 20 रुपए है और रूरल इंडिया में सिर्फ 5 रुपए है. Sathi pads have also taken an initiative to provide 1 million sanitary pads to rural women in Jharkhand. For this, they are asking people for donations so that they can help provide eco-friendly pads to women in Jharkhand for free. For her contributions to society and through her innovative product, Kristen won a prize reward of $30,000 and became one of the finalists at the annual 2018 Cartier Women's Initiative Awards. She was the second finalist from India who joined 16 others from around the world to participate in an Awards Week program in Singapore. Since the very beginning, Kristen wanted to create a product that will not only be useful for women across India but also harmless for the environment. She made the pad completely chemical free using natural materials. Her purpose was to provide health benefits not just to women but to our planet also. We are proud of such heroes, and guess what? You have the power to become one too.